Give it a wipe for a little bit, Papa. Shows the instructions on how to put the slide together. It's very easy. We bought this in Bunnings for about 44 New Zealand dollars. It's called plastic folding slide. It's in aisle 34 or 37. I forgot. Anyway, I just used this Milton 3-in-1 spray to clean. So this is like an all-around spray to clean for your baby's toys. It's safe. Right, baby. up and it can just fold. So you see this one here? So it just moves. Oh, there we go. See? That's how it folds. So you can store it. If you're not using it, you store it somewhere. Just like that. And then if your son or daughter is ready to use it, you can just open it up. Hold on, Jackson. Open it up. And it fits there. So it's really nice. See? Really nice. So, see what I said about this one here? So you fit it inside first like this, and then you twist it so you can get this. See how it's moving? You can get this in there. Right, that's it. Oh, that's it for today's video. So Jackson can start using our slide. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.